You're watching Channel 1, and this is Romulo, exploring a self-sufficient and self-reliant lifestyle. From growing and cooking own food to home and garden DIYs. I'm staying at home today due to the weather, so I'm working next to my seedlings. These are my chayotes. Look, they've grown significantly since last week. And that's my workstation, spaghetti-like, the wires. And reveal my lunch, my baon. I'm having it at home, so can it be called even a baon? Romulo, just that, you might be saying. Yes, just this. It's an ultra-light lunch. But what makes it special is the dinengdeng or inabrao. Dinengdeng or inabrao, I don't know which is which, but from where I come from, this is what we call dinengdeng. It consists of very special or very interesting vegetables. They are mentioned on the 7th line of our favorite kindergarten song, Bahay Kubo. And they are singkamas at talong. Now comes sigarilyas at mani. Hindi pa. Sitaw, bataw, patani. I don't have the bataw. I don't even know what that is. But I have sitaw and patani. Thanks to my neighbor who grew patani last year. He didn't know what to do with them. So he gave them to me. I grew a squash, not for their fruit, but for their blossoms. So this one has squash blossoms. Heavenly taste. Oh, namaraman na niyo lakoma. If you can only taste it. All grown from my garden. Except for the patata, of course, but it was just my neighbor. The same soil. So, if you can make it, don't buy it. Grow it even if you can. If you're interested in how to grow these vegetables and in the recipe, subscribe and hit the bell icon. You will be notified when the video is released. Until next time, ni mulong neto or Romulo. Dios te guarde.